Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make apple sorbet in Dreamlight Valley Easy Guide. Begin by washing and peeling 4 apples, then core and chop into even pieces. Combine with 1/2 cup sugar, juice of 1 lemon, and 1 cup water in a pot. Simmer gently 10 minutes until tender, cool completely. Blend until smooth, chill, then freeze in an ice cream maker or freezer-safe container, stirring occasionally for best texture. Simmer the apple mixture gently to concentrate flavor without losing brightness. Start on low heat and stir, often to dissolve 1/2 cup sugar into 1 cup water and apples. Simmer roughly 10 minutes until apples are soft and translucent. Remove from heat and add the juice of 1 lemon to brighten the blend. Let the mixture cool completely in the fridge before pureeing to preserve texture and chill quickly for better freezing performance. If this walkthrough is helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support more Dreamlight Valley recipes. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control helps keep your kitchen tidy while you cook. It's a fun little convenience that pairs nicely with quick prep work. Check the description for the link and other deals. Grab one if it suits you. Now let's get back to the video. Blend the chilled apple puree until velvety smooth and check sweetness, adding a touch more sugar or lemon if needed. If you have an ice cream maker, churn according to instructions until the sorbet reaches soft serve consistency, then firm up in the freezer. Without a maker, pour into a shallow container and stir vigorously every 30 minutes to prevent large crystals, repeating until fully frozen. Store in an airtight container for best freshness and scoopability.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.